Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to hide pattern line in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, lock your phone and try to unlock your phone with pattern. While trying your pattern, there will be line tracking. So I can easily see my pattern. Others can also see if they nearby you and watch you carefully, so they can easily find your pattern. Okay, so if you would like to hide this pattern line while drawing your pattern, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to security, and click on screen lock and draw your current pattern. Just click on the settings icon. Instead of clicking over screen lock, just click on the settings icon, and here you will find make pattern visible option. Just to turn it off so that pattern will not be visible. See here, I lock my phone and try to unlock with my pattern. While drawing, there will be no line tracking. So in this way, you can easily hide pattern line while drawing in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.